tag on this one. What are these?
We both know.
Oh, wow.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's in there? Is that Play-Doh?
No, it's Legos, but I don't know who it was from. There's no tag on
I
it.
might have to like leave one of these
Oh,
when I
okay.
get my own place and just not touch it. You know?
Did you see these? This is
That's nice. Nice color.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's still find some more things over here.
Contact lens cleaner.
Boom.
Is that what you need?
Yeah. This is exactly what I need.
Here you go, here.
Good.
Whoa.
Share it.
It's actually for both you guys, so I mean,
Sure.
I got it, right? I got it for both you guys, but it's just
Okay.
Here, you can have this.
Alright.
Let me know if you don't want it. If you don't want it, I'll take it out of your hands.
I haven't given a gift back to anyone yet.
This is definitely good baby-proof paper.
Oh yeah, it is.
I know.
Some strong stuff.
It's like 80 degrees
That's
in there
probably
right
the
now.
extra tape that I got.
What is-
It's like in a pink
A
color.
Cuisinart ice cream maker.
Yeah. So
I hope you guys like ice cream.
You guys made ice cream before. That was good.
Yeah, so
Huh?
what you do
Remember
is
back
it
in the
comes
days
with a
you guys
pot and
make
you
that
freeze
homemade
it
ice
overnight.
cream?
Yeah,
for
yeah, and the
40,
Don Vier pot.
24
Yeah, that
hours,
was
and
good.
then you
Like fresh
put the
strawberries.
ingredients in and it mixes by itself, so you don't have to get an ice cream maker or not.
Invite him. Invite him?
Oh, wow.
No, not your binky.
You wouldn't
What
expect
should
that
you
from
do?
me.
I think you guys
Come on down here.
that flute thing.
Hey.
Here.
Invite you?
Sure, like at some point.
Oh shoot. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
It's cute.
Wow.
Those are cute.
Wow.
Wow, somebody got arrested, Jake. Police car.
Polka dots.
Where is she? They're like,
Oh, just here.
she's right. Oh, that is so cute. Look, baby, look. You got some nice stuff over there.
Yeah,
So these,
God,
It's summertime.
size 6. What size
because
is
of
she?
the
What's that,
economy.
Oh,
I think those are for
Oh,
you.
size 6? That's like when she's probably 6 years old.
oh, so huge.
So, wait a minute, let me see that. Look.
Trend, that's the new fashion, you know, the extra large.
Wait a minute, now Palunga's supposed to wear those?
No, maybe Ramona got these for herself and accidentally wrapped them. I don't know.
Okay, because otherwise Palunga's going to have to wait about 15 years to wear those.
Guess we're just planning ahead, right?
Something to be said for that.
Oh,
Oh.
that's a great color.
Wow.
Boston Red Sox, huh? I mean, Celtics. Grandpa's selection.
Could be construed that
I
way.
like that color. Yeah, in time she'll be able to fit into these. That, she should fit that. She should fit that. Yeah, that's her size. Yeah, they're like
No, he
Here's
loves
Jane.
it, but he keeps it.
Here's
He
Jane.
knows.
Oh.
Where's your bank?
Oh!
Couple of squalling youngsters.
This is for you.
Nice, play school. Wow.
glad she doesn't like
Here,
toys.
this is for Gavin.
Oh, Gavin, that's yours.
Gavin!
Oh, maybe he's got the same one.
Oh! What's
Wow,
this?
that's big.
Gavin?
Duplicate. Wow.
Come on, Gav.
Don't throw it
What's
again.
that?
Is that
Don't
a
throw
truck?
it again.
Truck! That's a truck for
Wow.
Gavin.
That's
Here you go.
pretty.
Let's open this up. I always wanted to get one of these.
Here. Oh, can we open it?
Ready? Ooh. Jake, here's a new toy for you, bud. What's this? Well, you got another present to open. I think it's on the light.
Oh,
Jake!
that's nice. Wow. That's pretty. Yes.
Jake!
Yes, we got a bumper pump our gas in there. Nice. Wow.
It goes like that. It fits right in.
Nice. I like that.
What's this?
Nice.
Whoa, what's this, Jake?
Oh, nice. Get a plastic bag and put those things in the bag.
Toy.
Brad, can you keep your eye out for the gal who's
Let me get
I
bags.
don't know
We
where
got
it is.
anything.
Let's see if there's something goes with it. Oh, that's for you too.
Do you want to help me with this?
Sure.
These papers, okay. Wow.
This was an on and off, it's super different.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
Oh.
Like a clubhouse tent. Oh, it's like a little tent? Yours is blue. That's so fun.
It looks like a little castle. I don't know. It looks like
Awesome. Yeah.
Come here.
Wow. You got a police car, huh?
And she's got another one too, so.
Monopoly game
Sean, do you want to
A Monopoly game from who?
for Ramona.
Oh my God.
I love this game. It's my favorite game.
Monopoly?
Monopoly. Monopoly.
Whoa,
Right here.
Monopoly. Oh my God, that's crazy.
Merry Christmas, Ramona. Thanks for the Monopoly game.
Baby!
Santa tried mining.
Baby.
Out of stock at that.
Kiss. Mama,
In due time.
want the baby? You want me to get you the baby?
Yeah.
What kind is it?
It's
Let me get your baby. Okay?
Nike.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute.
She does a good job. She gave sippy cups and books
Yeah,
and
she does.
she does a good job.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember the cat I went?
Oh, it's the talking cat.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What is that?
Talking cat.
Palanga.
She used to like cats. Now she doesn't ever say cat anymore. It's her first word.
Cat.
They didn't kill it.
Go ahead. That's a dog. Dog.
Let me see the cat.
There you go. Is that comfy? There you go.
Trying to pull it out.
Does it have a button that makes it talk?
I guess it's battery operated or something, but because this cat moves and it could jump.
Does it say try me anywhere on there?
No. Just you really.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it jumps and everything. Yeah.
It's like a little robot.
Right.
Okay. You want your meow meow meow?
This one
You
is
have to put batteries
for.
in.
Yeah.
Cat.
Cat. Here you go.
Oh my God.
Oh, we got a little tracksuit.
Look, Palanga.
That's so cute.
That's from the Little Sneaky Pete clothing line.
Cute. That's her size too.
Where did she find it?
That's I picked that out for her.
Yeah.
Oh, she loves her kitty.
This at least this one will bite. More scratches her.
I haven't even seen this one.
With all the commotion.
Cat.
I knew
Yeah.
that like this was the first present I bought her. I remember buying for that for her online in the middle of the night. She woke up and she looked at the phone when I was buying it and she said, cat! Like 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, cat.
Oh, look, go ahead. Take a picture.
Johnny.
Look, she loves her cat.
She loves cats.
Wow, she loves that cat.
Mm.
Oh, look.
Mama bite you the kitty. Yeah.
Wow, that's your favorite, huh?
I totally forgot about that. That was actually the first present I got her.
Oh, a mirror. Wow, yeah, nice.
I forgot. I totally forgot I got that for her.
Nice.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas.
Open it and we don't
Now
even
we'll
know
never
how
see
to
him. He'll be in-
totally forgot about that.
Oh, yeah, nice. Wow, nice.
Her little cat.
And all the ships at sea.
That's it.
That's her passion, the cat.
Yep.
Everything, she says things. Cat.
She's a big cat lady.
Look at Zeta.
Everything is cat.
She pushed Zeta and said no. Zeta's muzzle. She pushed
Uh-huh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Show it to her. Show it to her. Bro.
Now she's afraid of it.
You don't like your cat? She said, that cat's creeping me out.
Yeah, hang on.
They were over here a
You
second
know
ago.
that things up the toys. There you go. Oh, good boy. Can you open it? Open. Greg, wasn't there 2 of these?
Oh.
Is it hot?
It does.
She went over to hug it and it started to move and she went no and she dropped.
She's afraid of it right now. I hope she doesn't get traumatized later on.
No,
I think
she
maybe
won't.
I should have got
She'll
this
get
when she
used
was
to
a
it.
little older.
Yeah, she'll get used to it.
Look at the eyes. It's cute.
You can put it away until she
Well,
gets
just take
older.
the
You want to play your cat?
No, just take the Mario. She likes it.
No?
It doesn't move. Just take the Mario.
Yeah.
Okay, come here.